In this quick video, I'll show you how to change the tip of your Apple Pencil USB Type-C. It's very easy, and when it's worn, usually it's time to replace it, like this one over here. This tip is screwed in, so you'll need to hold your pen with one of your hands, and the other one gonna turn the tip counterclockwise, like that. Unscrew it. This is the actual tip of your Apple Pencil USB Type-C, and this is the small add-on tip, I don't know how you want to call. If you need some of these, I'll put links to Amazon if you want to get the original ones that work, in my opinion, very well. So once you remove it, take your new tip, you're going to align it. This is very important. And do not press, do not try to do any kind of jerky movements, because we do not want to break this part of the pen. So just put it in, and now we're gonna turn clockwise like that. And once you arrive at the end, okay, you're gonna feel some resistance and stop, okay? Do not force, do not try to tighten it very well. No, don't do that. Again, you risk to break the pen, and this is not what we want. Simply, when you reach the end, you just have to add just a bit more pressure, and this is it. Your Apple Pencil USB Type-C has a new tip, and you are good to go. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, check my Amazon affiliate links down below. You support my channel when you do this, and I'll see you in the next one.